No, I really can't go back. Let's get this girl going.
That was a long time ago. You're not that same person you were.
You don't get it. There is a darkness inside of me. It wants to get out, wants to walk around. It wants some walking around money, and it wants to buy some shoes, and it wants to walk up with the people and say, hey, Gator don't play no shit. You feel me? Gator never been about that. Never been about playing no shit.
Another day, another toroidal transformer. This time it's made in Taiwan. That's not an indictment on quality. Upon opening up the unit, I did catch a pretty strong whiff of burning scent, and it's quite pervasive. Still there. So let me go handheld, or I'll move positions and see if we can isolate the issue. It looks like there's a bevy of new JJ12AX7s in here, 5 of them. So let's get on in. All right, let's bring her up on a current limited supply. Have the wall voltage set to, or actually the power supply voltage set to 115 today, just for the heck of it. So let's see. The fan has just wound itself down. It's a little more than I want to see. Let's see. Let's get her kicked over. A little bearing noise in a fan. Let's get a signal through the input. Interestingly enough, right when I said that, I heard the click of a relay and then sound. So with all levels down, I'm getting noise on the output. Silence. We have a broken solder joint. Watch. Off. Back on. No, it's too late to go back now. Now I gotta fix it. No, I really can't go back. Let's get this girl going. Well, this is the business end of a SVT-3 Pro's power amplifier. And we're going to try to find where that broken solder joint is, or is it a component? All right, the noise you hear before you is what? It's that Ampeg. What a day. Oh my God. It's been epic. It's been a fierce battle, but we're here because she's back together. She's loud, she's proud, and I'm pretty happy. I have one remaining issue that will not inhibit performance. However, it's a nuisance if you plan on using the incredibly subtle tube gain control. And I'll show you what it is, but we're out of budget for this restoration. So this is just how it's going to be. I completely had to dismantle. Wow, I had to remove the toroidal power transformer, one of the daughter boards for the outputs, and the obviously the power amp PCB, and the fan, which spans the entire breadth of the chassis. So quite a bit of work. Little single coil noise. I really like how this thing breaks up. Getting a weird phone call. Of range with the EQ. Here's the issue I was referring to. Right there. See? There it goes. But you can adjust it from what? 50% to 100% with no perceptible change in tube gain. So I'm gonna have to take another look at the schematic and do a little bit of homework, and we'll see what's actually driving that gain stage. So hopefully we're not dealing with a JFET or some other transistor, because there's no impact from this potentiometer to the actual the gain staging, but I am getting some superfluous noise. See, that's it. But I do like this amp. Wow, sounds really nice. A ton of volume to be ahead. See, just leave it here. It's not making a difference anyway. Really like it. I don't have a bass guitar in hand, but you know. And that's it. Apologies for the last segment of the video here. I am beat down, or beat up from the feet up, as it were. So you guys take care. She's ready to go, and so am I.